That's a 1906.
A lot of Pokemon.
103 years old. It's a 1236. 36 horsepower on the belt and 12 horsepower on the drawbar.
A train.
36 horsepower engine.
It's like a train.
Comes to Toledo every year and also to Brooks, Oregon. You'll see them here in Brooks. Fred Schultz and Ken Clark. Fred Schultz from Woodland, Washington. 103 years old. I'm not talking about the guys. It's the machine. J.I. Case would be proud of that, wouldn't he? I know we are. Does the EPA know about that smoke? We're not telling them.
That's more wood. Wow. That thing's just awesome, dude.
What do you think, ladies and gentlemen? Now we know.
Scared me. It didn't even. Where's Pokemon? Yeah. What do you have in your party? What's your starter? My starter was
Thanks to the perseverance of people like these owners here and operators and all the people that put all this stuff, good stuff together for us to see how things were in the past.
I'm tired.
And remind us of how good we have some things now and in the future.